Why are you being left out when people are literally making money on the online space and you are not watching my series? Because I have created a series on exactly how you can be able to start making money on the online space for free. And the good thing about it is you can be able to do it from anywhere in the world. They're not choosing anyone. That it is beginner friendly, and above all, you can be able to start with $0. Literally, you're not investing any money to get started with this. If you have not watched my first episode, I'll link it down here below on exactly how to create a book cover for Amazon KDP books. So in this series, I'm going to show you how to create a journal that you can be able to place in your Amazon KDP and get started with selling your book. So let's hop in and let me show you exactly how to get started with this. Should you even consider selling a journal? So let me just walk you through and see exactly how people are actually making money selling journals that they have created on Canva. So let's go to Amazon KDP. Not KDP, sorry. Let's go to Amazon so that you can see that people are literally making good money out here. When you come to Amazon and you type in journals, you get a lot of suggestion. Like you have Amazon for women, you have journals for women, journaling notebook for men, journaling supplies, journaling Bible, journals for writing. So let's just go in general journals so that you can see what you can actually get from here. There's a lot, and you can see people are selling 1K in the past 1 month, 2K. So it's something that people are literally buying, especially in this season when we are headed to the new year. A lot of people have new resolutions and everybody just wants to get a journal that they can, it can keep them on track. So this is a business that when you start this time in this season, you will make good money. So let's get started in creating our digital product. The first thing is you go to Canva. Canva is a free platform where you can get started in creating your digital product. So for Canva, we're going to be creating our digital planner. So you go at search bar and search for the word journal. And you can see we have daily journal, gratitude, all this. But for us, we're going with the 8.5 and 11 inches because that is our estimated the estimated inches that we need to actually be working on for our journal, because in Amazon KDP you are given an estimation when it comes to creating a journal. So like you can see, we have a lot. So like you can see, we have a lot of templates. And one thing about Canva is you get a lot of things you can do from. You get, like here there's a cover, you can use this as a cover. Like there's a lot to deal with. Those who want to create meal planning, if you're in the cooking industry, travel journals, like there is a lot you can create when it comes to creating digital products. So for us, we're going really plain and really something very simple, something very not so complicated, because it's a first timer and you really don't want to complicate your life. Let me take this one so that we can work with it. One thing about Canva is you cannot just take their free templates and go and just use them to sell, because they have a policy. You cannot do that. So you can go around and change some stuff. So like, let me change the fonts. That can actually work. Canva, it has a lot to offer, a lot. Like this one is for free, so let me take this. You can really play around with whatever thing you want, however you want to create it. It's up to you. So let's come here and let's duplicate this. So I've duplicated to 5 pages, and then we go to the grid so that you can see the full. Now here is where I feel like Canva has just upgraded it, because now you see, instead of you having to duplicate each and every page, you just come here, select all, then duplicate. So it gives you, then you can do the same, select all, duplicate till you find the number of pages you want to go for. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's how you can be able to create your journal and planner. You can be able to create your daily planner, daily journal on Canva for free without having to go through a lot of process. Like I said, it is beginner friendly. Every person who's a beginner can be able to get started with this. You download your stuff on PDF, because one thing about Amazon is they are very strict to whatever they do. So you want to download it as a PDF for printing, because whatever you're creating here, it will be printed. So you need to download it as a PDF for printing, so that it is way easier and Amazon can actually accept when you are uploading it on your on your Amazon KDP account, which I'll be showing you on the next video. One thing about all this is you need to be able to practice all the time so that you can perfect it. You can start with creating journals, you go ahead and start creating planners, gratitude journals, and all this. Look at the niche that you're in. Again, if you do not know how to get started, I have another video that I created on exactly how to get started when looking searching in terms of the niche that you're in terms of how to be able to get started with everything about creating digital products. I'll link it down here below so that you can go get started and know exactly what to do and what not to do. So if up to this point you have watched this video, I really appreciate. But if you still feel like you have not found a lot that you want and you want me to walk you through, you want me to explain to you some of the things that you have not understood in this video, you can also book a call with me. The link is down here below, and I'll appreciate walking you through. Again, don't mind my glasses, I'm just here to watch out for you. See you on my next video.